guys, how are you? Hoping you're doing well and you're keeping safe. Welcome to Kitchen Corner with Terry. Here we prep, we cook, we do kitchen cleaning and organization videos, and at times we do kitchen hauls videos. So guys, it's on Wednesday. I think it's around 2 to 30 hapo, and I've decided to do this vlog with you. And I wanted to clean some utensils ziko hapo kwa kitchen. As you can see, I'm in a different background today, so I want to clean my utensils ziko hapo, though si mingi, kidogo sana. And then from there I have decided, okay, I'm from work, and I thought of doing, I have been having bones for a long time in my fridge, so I thought, let me do a soup, and I thought, let me do it with you guys. So I want to show you how you can do your soup. So ile tu ya kuweka mifupa, unaweka maji, unachemsha, and that's all. So I want to show you something that you can do, at least ikuwe tu different na ile tu tumezoea, tukuongeza tu kitu tu kidogo, and then we see how it's going to come. So I'm going to show you how the kitchen is, and then from there we go straight to the video. And by the way guys, before I forget, before the end of this video, I said in my last upload that there are so many people who have been DMing me in my Instagram. If at all you are not following me on my Instagram, Jerry_Njoki, you can go follow me from there. There's some people who have been DMing me asking me to do a different content to add on what I'm doing, that is the lifestyle content. And I asked you guys whether you are okay ama whether I should be uploading my lifestyle content, and kindly make sure you rate it down here below on the comment section, whether you want the other side of me or you just want us to deal with the kitchen peke yake. So guys, I'd be glad before the end of the video, before malize watch video, kindly make sure you write down there below. So guys, without any much further ado, let's go straight to the video. So guys, this is the mess. This is how the stove looks. As you can see, it's very dirty. I have some sufuria hapo. So these are the bones that I want us to make the soup with. And here are the utensils. See, mingi ni kidogo sana. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to boil these. I'm going to show you how I'm going to boil them. As they boil, then I'm going to clean the utensils. So guys, what I've decided to do, I don't know kaka ni mimi peke yangu. Me, I cannot be able to cook when the stove is dirty, ikiwa na uchafu. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean the stove first, and then I leave the bones to boil, and then after boiling, ziki boil, then I clean the utensils. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean the stove using this super bright. I clean it, then I wipe it kidogo tu juju because it's not that dirty. Then I just wash it with the super bright and soap, and then after that I'm going to use this towel to wipe it. Guys, as you can see, it's very clean. So I'm just going to put the bones to boil as I clean the utensils. Then from there, I'm going to show what you're going to do next. So guys, what I usually do, these are the bones. Hizi hapa. I usually add in my ginger and the garlic. Zikiwa tu hivyo nimekata tu mara mbili like that. Then I'm going to add in water. Full jug of water. Like that. and then I'm going to add in some salt, and then I let it boil. So after boiling, I'm going to show you what we are going to do next. So the sink is now clean. So what we are going to do, so guys, what we are going to do, I'm done with as you can see, it's very clean, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, the bones are still boiling, so we are going to wait for the bones to boil, and then after they have boiled, as in they boil completely, after they have boiled, then I come back, I show you how we are going to do in the next process. So here are our bones, they are still boiling. So this is how the sink looks, very clean. I've cleaned everything. So let's wait for the bones to boil and then we come back. So guys, as you can see, my bones have already boiled, and let me tell you guys, the smell that is coming from here because of the ginger and the garlic that I added, it has already boiled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve from the bones, and then I'm going to put the broth in this jug, and then I'm going to show you what we are going to do with the bones and the next step. You can see this is what I didn't want. So what we are going to do next, I'm going to put my bones in a separate bowl. My hands are clean. So I'm going now to throw away this ginger and the garlic. So guys, you see, we are going to use the same sufuria that we were using to boil. So what I'm going to do next, in our sufuria, I have these onions. This is what we are going to use. I have these onions. I also have some carrots that I have cut, and I also have some dhania. So what we are going to do, I'm going to put in my onions like that. Guys, I told you we are going to do it in a different way. I show you how I do my soup, and it's very, 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 very sweet. Here. Then I'm going to add in some oil. Kidogo tu. Like that. Then I'm going to let my onion cook until golden brown. And then guys, if at all you have noticed, I have used white onions, not the red onions. Specifically, I've used the white onions. So I'm going to let my onions cook until golden brown. So guys, you see, when I was boiling the bones, nilieka the ginger and the garlic. So here I'm not going to put anything. I'm just going to use the onions, and then I'm going to add in the carrots. So guys, my onion is still cooking. My onions are still cooking, sorry. So we are going to cook them until they turn golden brown. I'm going to add in my carrots like that. So we are going to let our carrots cook kidogo tu, like for maybe about 1 minute, because I love them crunchy. Kidogo tu, just 1 minute or maybe 45 seconds, and then we will be back. So guys, let's check on our carrots, and I think they are okay like this. So what we are going to do next, I'm going to add in my bones. And then I start them. Guys, I hope you can see how they are coming out. So after putting in my carrots, I'm going not to put in the broth. The broth in the soup now in the boil. I'm going to add it after, like that. And then I stir. Then at this point, now you can taste whether your salt is ready ama iko sawa, whether it's enough. And mine is okay. So I think I can add in more water kidogo tu. Respecting our ancestors. And I think I'm going to add more. Like that. And that's enough. So now we are going to let it boil for about 30 minutes and then we will be back. So guys, let's check on our soup. Wow, guys, have a look at this. So what I'm going to do for the dania, I use them to garnish my soup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this off and then I'm going to put my soup in my bowl and then I garnish it with the dania. I don't add them here. I'm going to add them in my bowl that I'm going to use to take the soup. So let me show you. So guys, can you just have a look at this? Look at that. Look at that. Just have a look at that. So this is what I was telling you. I use the dania to garnish my soup and this is how I'll be taking my soup. Just look at that. Mautamu tupu. So guys, the soup is ready as I have shown you. Just have a look. Look. So I'm going to perfect. And it's very hot. So guys, that's how I make my soup. I don't just boil ati unachemsha maji bones zako and then you drink. So kindly make sure you try this and it's going to be just perfect. Imagine hakuna vitu mingi, it's just the ginger, the garlic and the carrot. Hakuna kitu ingine. So guys, let me enjoy this soup of mine and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure umeipatia thumbs up if imekubamba. Make sure you give it a like. So guys, let me see you in my next video. And by the way, before I forget, kindly make sure you comment down here below if at all you want me to add my lifestyle, my other part of life, that my lifestyle content, whether I can be able to add it on this channel, and I will be glad to see your replies coming in and nitafurahia, and then we see how we can do about it. So guys, without any much further ado, have yourself a nice afternoon, a good night, a good day, whichever time that you'll be watching this video. It's a wrap for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.